Hello, my name is Madison Ricks, and I am a senior here at Germantown High School. I hope you all are well. Our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Joyce Ray, has made the decision for the safety of students and teachers to start the school year with all students attending virtual classes. Today, we want to share with you some critical information about starting with your wireless device. Remember, this device is specifically for educational and academic purposes only. Let's start with your email and password for SES. The sign-in address is your student ID number, which is the 6-digit number used when you check out in the cafeteria, or the number you use to sign into your student profile on the computers. Then add @student.sesk12.org. Here is an example on the board. Now that you have typed your student email address, enter your password right here. Your password is the same clever password that you use. It is your 8-digit birthday. Example, if your birthday is July 20th, 2015, your password is 07202015. It might take some time, but be patient as it loads. After you log in, double-click on the Office 365 icon on your desktop. This will bring you to the Microsoft Office Teams window. Then open Teams. Microsoft Teams will be the place for your virtual classroom. The first time you open Teams, you will be asked to log in. Once you have signed in, you will need to look down on the left side of your screen. The team will be your classes, and you will have channels for small groups. You will be asked to join a meeting. Once you have joined your class, you will see a toolbar that will allow you to turn on your webcam, mute your microphone, raise your hand, and post in a classroom chat. I hope you found these instructions useful. If you come across any difficulties or miss some of the steps I just reviewed, rewatch the video. If you have any questions, email one of your instructors or guidance counselors to assist you. This is the first of many videos that will help you during our time of virtual learning. Thank you for joining us for this first session. Good luck, and I'll see you again soon.